I went to Amazon and found some options for liners which fit in the cup holders and all the other compartments, especially in the door, trunk, center console and stuff like that. And AOSK has several options with different colors. They have a 18-piece option and a 19-piece option. In this video I show you the difference. First the 18-piece option was shown, this is now the 19-piece option, and I will explain to you how they fit and what exactly is the major difference between the two. Here you see how the liner fits in the trunk. There's one on the right side and also one on the left side. They fit like OEM parts, really great cut. The next I show is on the left rear door. You see the top one behind the handle and the bottom one. When you look at the bottom one, it's not a flat surface, so they find a really great solution to get over those wavy parts. The top one is just snugged into behind the handle. Then the center console has a cup holder. It fits there, that's the rear center console. You gotta use a double-sided tape so it doesn't fall out. Here's the right door. It's the same thing like on the left rear door. Again, the bottom has those wavy parts, which is really cool how they designed it, that it fits really good. Then the front, again, behind the handle it's snugged in, and the bottom you have the longer compartment with the cup holder. On the driver door side is the same thing, behind the handle the one which is snugged in. And on the bottom you have the longer compartment with the cup holder. Next is shown the glove box. Even the glove box has a cool pony logo mat. Maybe use also their double-sided tape. Here the center console, it's below the tray where also the key fob compartment is. Here the bottom below the screen. And then you see above the charger mat, that's the major difference. The 18-piece version has a different charger mat. Here again the cup holders and the charger mat. And the 19-piece has actually a charging mat with a pony. So the additional piece in the 19-piece is the one for the sunglass holder. If you leave the plastic cushion protection in it, the sunglass holder fits really snug, but if you remove that, then it fits perfect. You might have to cut it that it fits with the plastic piece. I just removed it. Here again the Amazon site. Check the video description for the links.
Hey, you're still here? So why not hit the like button and subscribe to my channel? I would really appreciate it.